Good morning. Good morning. This is September 23rd, 2014, and looking at the market, it's 10 o'clock, and you know, I like to wait till 10 o'clock to try to get into the market and try to follow the direction of either the 10 o'clock reversal or the 10 o'clock continuation. That being said, we came up and touched these highs up here, and looks like it can have a reversal to the downside. I'm also looking at the 1 hour chart, and seeing that it tested the 200 moving average and plus yesterday's high of 88. So yesterday's high of 88. So we'll see if this reverses and come back down, or if it breaks breaks new highs above 88, and then I'll be looking to go long. So we'll see how this plays out. And we'll come back, and I'll pause it and come back in a second. Okay, look like we may be getting a pullback in the markets. The 5-minute chart. Yesterday's low was 83. Yesterday's low was 83, 82.50. Yesterday's close was 83.50. So a break below 83.50, I'll be looking for a short. It may consolidate around this area, 85, 87, and then we'll see which way the market wants to go. We have the moving average, 200 moving average at 83.98. It made a top up here, double top it, retraced and closed the gap this morning around 88. So we'll see which way it goes. Let's see. On the hourly chart, looking at this hourly chart, and it broke the trend line that's been on a downtrend last few days, couple of days. It's been on a downtrend. It just broke above the 200 moving, up to 20 moving average. So a break below this 20 moving average in the trend line could signal a down move to around 80, 81, or even test the low of 77. It's back up in this area that was choppy from yesterday. Came right back up here, so we'll see if it break above these levels of 88 or stay above the levels and make a move down, continue lower. Okay, look like we may have a move to the downside. Settled at 86.25 yesterday. The open is at 84. It tried to come up to test the 88 level. Got up to 88, didn't break it, bounced off the 88 level. What I would be looking for is to see if this makes a pullback to new highs, or if it makes a pullback and then roll over and continue to come down lower. So I'm still watching. Looks like we can form a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder, inverted head and shoulders. You got the shoulder, the head, and the shoulder. Um, some people may say a cup and a handle, but if this fails, if this pattern fails, and fails to move higher, if the pattern does not fail, we can be looking at a 10 point move from 88 to 98 up into this 50% area. If it fails, then we could be looking back to retracement around 77. So that's what I'm looking at, and that's the trade setup I'm looking at: head and shoulders or a failure of this pattern. Okay, I'll be going short at 83. So I'm in at 83. I'm looking for a retracement down to maybe 80, 81, possibly back down to this 78 level if we can get there. Looking forward to move back into this level here, back into these levels here. My stop will be 85.25, just above this high of 85. So one tick above 85.25. We'll come back and see how the trade worked out. I only have a couple of seconds left. So I got stopped out at 85.25. Was looking for it to come down into this area, but it didn't come. Came back and stopped me out. So that was my first trade for the day.